house right in downtown LA.
Guys, you-
Okay, so this side is to clean everything from the top to the bottom. Like when you see, this one's good.
Take a seat.
And then I'm gonna take a picture myself.
Hey, how long does it take for going
About
down?
1 minute.
About 1 minute, so it's really fast. Right?
Yeah, quick fast. And I'm taking a video myself, so I'm gonna take a video from here to down.
Okay,
Okay,
bye bye.
bye.
Hey, say bye.
And I'm taking the video. It's about 30 seconds already. And that's going down. Okay. And actually at the side there are two stairs. And it's $1.50 for this one per person. Up and down is also the same. So now it's like 50 something seconds. Yeah, and then we're gonna end this video. Like, yeah. Okay. So
It's time to get off.